Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Real Numbers exercise 1.14 sum over here. See the question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So they have given the square of any positive integer to be in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. For that case, if it's a square or a cube, we need to take a variable other than this. We know that according to Euclid division lemma, we know that A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 0, less than B. Now here they have given 3, so take 3 to be your B. So A is equal to B will be 3. Instead of M, take Q. For square and cube, don't take the variable what they have given because we are going to square it. So take Q plus R. So my R will be greater than or equal to 0, less than B. Here B is 3. So what are the possible reminders? It can be 0, it can be 1, or it can be 2. Now in the case 1, my first case is I am going to take remainder as 0. If I take remainder as 0, my A is equal to 3Q plus 0 is nothing. So it will be 3Q itself. They have asked for a square, so I am squaring it. So A square equal to 9Q square. They have asked us to write in the form 3M. So I am going to take 3 common over here. If I take 3 outside, my bracket should be 3Q square. If I multiply this 2, I'll get this. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just taking 3 outside. 3 outside. Here, I can write this to be 3m, where my m is equal to 3q square. Because they have asked us to write in the form 3m, so I am changing the form to be 3m, where my m is the bracket. So my m will be equal to 3q square. This is the first case. Now I am going to take the second case, that is with remainder should be 1. So my r is equal to 1 now. So similarly, A is equal to 3Q plus R. Instead of R, I am going to take 1 squaring. So the square should be the whole square. Don't take 3Q square and 1 square. It should be a whole square. So it is 3Q plus 1 the whole square. Now square it. If I square, I get 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1. I need to do with the formula because I can't solve the bracket. If I can't solve the bracket, you need to use the formula A plus B, the whole square formula. The formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. What they have asked for? They have asked for 3m or 3m plus 1. In this, I can take 3 outside as common. If I take 3 outside, in the bracket it will be 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So here I can change this to be m. So 3m plus 1, where my m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Now I got the second one as 3m plus 1. Now we'll move on to the third case. The third case is 2. Case 2 is, I can take this number to be r equal to 2. If I take r equal to 2, my a will be equal to 3q plus 2. I need to square, so squaring both sides. If I square here, I get a square, and in this case, same way I can't solve this. So it is in the bracket which can't be solved and with the whole square. So I need to take with the formula a plus b whole square. That is nothing but 9q square plus 12q plus 4. I can take 3 common over here. So 3q square plus 4q. plus 4. Now we'll move on to the third case. In the third case, they have given r is equal to 2. R equal to 2. When r equal to 2, my a will be equal to 3 cube plus 2. I need to square both the sides. If I square, I get a square equal to a plus b whole square formula I need to use, because I can't solve the bracket. So it will be a 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Here they have given the form should be of 3m or 3m plus 1. If I take 3 common inside, my form will be plus 4, which is not possible. In this case, I can write the 4 to be 3 plus 1. If I take 3 plus 1, this if I add and this becomes 4. So now I can take 3 common from these 3. If I take 3 common, this becomes 3q square plus 4q plus 1 with plus 1. And here I can modify this to be 3m plus 1. In this case, my n will be equal to the bracket, that is 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Now, therefore, I have got the form to be 3m and 3m plus 1. So, you can write it as the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. That's all with the sum. Thank you.